The 6 by 10-foot polycarbonate greenhouse is designed with a robust aluminum frame and heavy-duty ground spikes, providing exceptional stability and weather resistance for year-round use. Featuring a quick-install system with slide-in panels, this greenhouse reduces setup time by 40% and increases stability by 35%, making it user-friendly and efficient. Equipped with high-performance polycarbonate panels, it allows 70% light transmission while blocking over 99.9% of ultraviolet rays, creating an ideal environment for plant growth. The greenhouse is designed to withstand various weather conditions with base feet that can be anchored in multiple ways, ensuring resistance to wind and snow. Innovative design features such as rain gutters, a smooth sliding door with lockable handles, and adjustable window vents enhance ease of use and maintenance. This versatile greenhouse provides a sheltered space for gardening activities, accommodating a wide range of plants and even serving as a cozy living area.